Hey guys, it's Stewart, the tech behind Living Small Dreaming Big. We partner with Harvest House and Boondockers Welcome to show you some tips and tricks on maintaining your RV. This might be the most important tip to maintaining your RV. And here's what you're going to need for this project. These are plastic scrapers. You can pick these up at any Harbor Freight. You're also going to need rubbing alcohol to clean the surface. Any standard caulk gun from any hardware store will work just fine. You're of course going to need sealant, and for that you're going to want to refer to the recommended sealant by your manual. On your RV, you're going to be looking for cracks in anywhere that there's going to be sealant, and here's a great example of that. I love these plastic scrapers. These things work great on the roof and on the sides without scratching your paint to get some of the silicone.
Scrape off that old sealant.
To get good adherence, you're going to want to use some sort of alcohol-based solvent to clean the area before applying the sealant. So at this point, you're going to need to get your caulk gun and your sealant of choice. You can spray your finger with a little bit of water or rubbing alcohol. And that'll help you get a really nice smooth line.
I recommend you check your sealants at least once a month. Little maintenance will protect from huge repairs. Happy travels.